our viands for today. Ayan. Our viands for today is spare ribs and sayote tops. Stir fried sayote tops. Ayan. Is spare ribs and sayote tops. Stir fried sayote tops. Ayan. So, fresh from the garden. I'm so happy. Ayan. It's time to serving. Let's eat, beautiful people. Saluhan niyo po kami. Let's add on the ingredients. Ayan. Para naman po habang pinakuluan na natin, ilagay na natin. Ayan. Natin siya ilagay lahat. No? With garlic. Ayan. Okay lang yan kasi it's a long boiled, no? Pero actually, I got a small ginger. I feel like putting it. Alam niyo po ba na nagluluto ako ng Chinese? It's kind of delicacy. Pero ang tamis niya, tapos na long boiled, meron siyang ginger. Pero sweet start siya pagka nakain mo. Ang sarap. May kicks, no? May kicks siya. Kaya ilalagay ko rin siya. Ayan. Para at the same time, wala yung may lansaman yan. Ayan. And then the onion. Ayan. Meron akong naalalang niluluto noon na every Chinese New Year is actually sa pork leg is a long boiled. Tapos iluluto ko siya with a lot of ano lang naman niya, ingredients is tawag dito, oyster sauce and black sauce. Tapos nilagyan lang nila yun nilagyan ko siya ng rock sugar para tumamis siya. And a little bit of ginger. Ang sarap niya. Tapos pagka medyo, syempre, pag nakakalupag, mga Chinese, you can add on mushroom. Ay, I said, ang sarap-sarap. Grabe. O, ayan. So, yun ang mangyayari. Lagay na natin. Pepper. And then, of course, get bay leaves. Lagyan din natin. Para naman, kung wala, doesn't matter. And then, lagyan na natin yung ating toyo. Konti lang. Ayoko kasing umalat. Pwede mag-add on later. And then, kaunting oyster. Hops. And then, of course, the Sprite. Kaunti lang muna, no? Ayan. Kaunti muna, and then later, we can add on. Ayan. So, Sprite ba ito? 7-Up pala itong aking nakuha. So, doesn't matter if you use Sprite or 7-Up. Ayan. So, start cooking. Ayan. Tapan natin. So, let's cut our other vegetable viands, no? Ayan. So, gigisa natin siya. Garlic. Then, onion. Then, cook with the sayote tops. Ayan. Mais, tomato. Pagpapalin natin. And 1 sweet potato. Para may tamis. Pagka may sweet potato. Kalulitan natin so that it will easy to soften. Para madali siyang maluto. And, yep. And then, ayan ang magiging lahok ng ating coyote tops o sayote tops. And sweet potato tops also I have, but not so much. And then, this bitter melon. Ayan. So it's yum. So, pwede natin siyang i-cut ng ganito. See? Ng round. Dahil when it's young, actually you can eat inside here. You can eat the core. Dahil yan siya. Pero pag right na siya, you have to remove. That's all about it. See? Check! Because this is very, very fast one. No? Hindi natin siya kailangan magtagal. So, it's done. Done. You see? Pag kinover up ko lang siyang ganyan, luto na yan ulit. You see? Dahil masingawan lang yung talbos na yung sweet potato tops is already cooked. So, it's done. Switch off. Off natin siya. And dito ka na. Here we go. This is what I get na spring onion. So, ilalagay natin ito dyan. So, and nag-oily na siya. Look at it. See? Lumabas na ang kanyang mga oil. And then, our 2 different viands for today. Spare ribs and my Sayote-tops. So, it's done. Everything is ready. All we have to do is just serving and enjoy our food for today.